Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our operators in our MySQL. Okay, what are the operators we have and how we can able to use and we can see in this particular session. Okay, basically in this session, our logical operator. I'm going to discuss in the first one, logical operator. Okay, in this logical operator, what are the operator it will come and or not. Okay, these are the three logical operator it will comes. It is basically a binary format of case, like and operator is basically if it is match both the conditions, where which are the condition you are passing, those conditions should be a match. If it is match, it will give the result. If anyone it is not match, then it will not provide you the information. Okay, and second case, or operator. Or operator is basically if you provide two conditions. If it is match with any one of the condition, then it will give you the result. Okay. Not operator is which is the condition you passed, except that it will not provide you. Okay. This is a not operator. Okay. We can see for how we can able to use. Okay. Again, I'm going to use for MySQL W3 schools. Okay. Editor. Okay, because these are the operators, right? Like where class I used. Okay, and step by step we can able to learn one by one. Even I'll show you that as well when it is main course we started. Okay, first of all, sorry, customers, right? Now I'll take the products. Okay, now in this products, if you run, all the products are came, right? Now I'm going to use for first condition where my price is equal to 18. Okay, and and my unit is basically this one. Okay, 18 is multiple is there or single. 18 also two places is there. Okay, 35 also, and which is the one unit. Okay, unit is equal to single quotation this one. Okay, now I'm going to making see only one specific record is matched and this one and this price. Okay, if I use here or operator now, or operator same, but or operator. You can see for 18 all the records which is matched. It is not check this condition, but it is check the price, which is the one it is matching. For that specification purpose only it will pull out. Okay. Or operator is means any one condition should be a match. And operator means both the conditions should be a match. If it is not match any one of the condition. Okay. Now again I'm going to use for and operator and I'm going to use for additional name up to here. See, nothing is there, empty. Because the name, unit name, it is not matched. Only the price is matched. Because of that, it is not provided. And operator always, both the condition is matched, then only it will provide. Otherwise, it will not provide. If you are using for OR operator, now the same condition I'm going to use for OR operator. See, the four values are came. Like this, it will work out. Okay. Now the similar format of I'm going to use not operator. Okay, I'm doing this one and not sorry and not uh product product a name is equal to chairs. Okay, now I'm going to run. See, except that remaining all records are came because we are used for where not the specific name. Except that we want to get for all the records. We specify that particular record, and except that record, it is provided for remaining operations. Okay, this is called logical operator, three operators. Okay, and next one is between operator. Next one is between operator. Okay, between operator is basically if both the cases, right, the ranges values are matching, then only it will displaying the which is used the following the range of the values. Then we can able to use some range, we can able to add that moment, we can able to see, means like I want to see the records which is starting from 10 and ending with the 20. Okay, in this between the records I want to display, that moment we can able to use this between operator. Okay, now how we can able to use that between operator? Okay, now I'm going to remove this, where price my price between 18 to 18 and 21, sorry, 21. Okay, now you can see it is given only for 20, 18, 19, 21, and 18, again 18, 18.5, 20. Okay, it is not provided for anything. Okay, if I use for 1 to 21, see all the values, 9 also it is given, 10 also it is provided. Okay, 2.5 also provided, and remaining values also 9.5, again 7 it is a 7.45. Like this, it will provide you for the remaining values as well. Because we are used it for 1 to 21, 1 and 21. In that particular values, I want to display. Okay. Now I'm going to use for not operator. Okay. Not also we can able to use. Then how it will work? Now price not between 1 and 21. If it is, I don't want to see 1 and 21. Okay. Now again I'm running here. You can see more than 21, because 21.35 it is there, but it is a more than 21, right? Because of that it is provided. You can see any value it is not presented below 21, all are above 21. Because of that it is provided. Okay, like that we can able to use for between operator. Okay, and another operator is in operator. Okay, there is another operator that is called as in operator. How it works? See, now I want to use, there is a condition where my price 10, 11 and 12, those all the conditions which are the presented, I want to bring it and display. That moment we are going to create in operator wise. See, now I'm going to use for here where my price is 9. Okay, or my price is equal to 21, or my price is equal to 25. Okay, wherever a 9, 21, 25 is there, I want to display the records. Now I'm going to use, you can see 9 it is there, 21 it is there, 25 is there. Okay, these are the records it is displaying, but you can see there is a issue. What issue? Here you can see my price I used for 3 times. Price, and or operator, two conditions I have used. But I don't want to use like this, but I want to use one specific location and I want to bring all the conditions. How we can able to do? Here the simple, and here we can able to use in. Okay, in and two braces I want to see for 9 comma 21 comma 25. Okay, remaining things we can able to delete. Okay, now this is the condition, simple. Okay, now run again. See, all the recursor came. If I use for here, I don't want to use for 20, 25. I'll use for 20. Maybe you'll get for question mark. Okay, 20 is there, 25 is not there. Okay, 9, 21, and 20. This is the condition. If you use for 25 as well, here another condition. We can able to increase inside that with a comma, separated comma. See, 25 also presented. Like this, we can a single location we can able to use for in operator. This is a one condition. Even we can able to apply there is a not condition as well. Not in. Not means without this particular record, I want remaining records. We can able to use that as well. Okay. We can able to exclude. See, it is not provided for any record which is presented like this. 9.2. There is no 9. Okay. Like this, we can able to get the records. The simplest way. Okay. This is completely by using for OR operators. We are seeing that logical and or not and not operators and between operator in operator. What and it can do the condition which is like both the condition is matching, then only it will give you the result. Or operator any one it is presented, when one condition satisfy, then we can able to get the record. Not operator, without that remaining all the records we can able to see. Between which within the range we can able to use between operator. In operator, the condition based we can able to use that. Okay, this all the operator we can able to use in MySql. I hope it this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.